I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe, no matter what you do. I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe it will all come back to you. Soldier, Narco, and Michael Francis together, yo.
Medicine for the people.
Jacob, coming out.
Yo, stand up and find your own way. Sit down and wait for your turn. Follow your vision blindly, you just become the vision of someone. Remove those shackles right now. You never really fit into them at all. Keep running with that metal on your feet until you fall. Everything that you say becomes the things that you do. Remember what you put out there is built in you. Remember everything is everything.
I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe, no matter what you do. I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe it will all come back to you. Oh,
I kinda been struggling. This fire on my tongue's been challenging. Even the Razna's been stumbling. So pick your heart up here and walk tall. God of deliverance. Everything you say significant. Speak your truth, be spirited. You're beautiful and bold, so carry on. Everything that you say becomes the things that you do. Remember what you put out there is built in you. Remember everything is everything.
everything is everything every single day. Remember this and everything you do and everything you say and everything you eat and all the people that you meet. There is life that's reflected back on me. I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe, no matter what you do. I believe, I believe, I believe, I believe it will all come back to you. Oh,
Turn your speakers down and listen to the silence down below. That's the messenger and that's the only one you really know. And turn my music down, yeah, cause it's your turn now. Yo, when it's your turn now, when it's your turn right now. Remember all that you say, it becomes all that you do. Everything that you put out there is built in you up, or it's breaking you down to the ground. But it's your choice now. Yeah, it's your voice now. It's that same sound. Everything that you say becomes the things that you do. Remember what you put out there is built in you. Remember everything is everything.
Is this thing on? Word.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out.
Let me get a lighter,
That's how it's
please.
supposed to be.
'Cause you know I'm high as fuck.
Living young and wild.
Keep that in there.
and free.
So what? I keep 'em rolled up, sagging my pants, not caring what I show. Keep it real with my niggas, keep it playing for these hoes. It look clean, don't it? Washed it the other day, watch how you lean on it. Keep me some 501 jeans on it, roll joints bigger than King Kong's fingers, and smoke them hoes down to they stingers. You a class clown, and if I skip for the damn with your bitch smoking grade
You know
A.
what? It's like I'm 17 again, peach fuzz on my face. Looking on the case, trying to find a hella taste. Oh my god, I'm on the chase. Chevy, it's getting kinda heavy. Irrelevant, selling it, dipping away. Time keeps slipping away. Zipping the safe, flipping for pay. Tipping like I'm dripping in paint. Up front, 4 blunts like a leaf, put the wheat in
So
the J.
what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
And I don't even care, cause if me and my team in here, it's gonna be some weed in the air. Tell 'em, Mac.
Blowing everywhere we going, and now you knowin' when I step right up. Get my lighter so I can light up.
That's how it should be done. Soon as you thinking you're down, find how to turn things around. Now things are looking up.
From the ground up, pound up this Taylor gang. So turn my sound up and mount up and do my thing.
Now I'm chillin', fresh out of class, feeling like I'm on my own and I could probably own a building. Got my own car, no job, no children. Had a size project, me and Mac killed it.
THC, MAC, DEV, HD3. Hi, it's me. This is us. We gon' fuss and we gon' fight and we gon' roll and live
So
our life.
what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
Yeah, roll one, smoke one. When you live like this, you're supposed to party. Roll one, smoke one, and we all just having fun. So we just roll one, smoke one. When you live like this, you're supposed to party. Roll one, smoke one, and we all just having fun.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. And we don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free.
We don't care who sees. We don't care who sees. That's how it's supposed to be. Living
Oh shit. Damn. Buzzed again. What can I say? It's that shade, man, that motherfucker, boy. Getting the motherfucker on tilt, for real. I ain't bullshit, man. It's the bomb, boy. Cheap, that shit. When I into a party, to get it started, I grab the microphone and rock it cold-hearted. Go behind the curtains while my fan just point. You know what love's doing, I'm blazing the joint. Cause it seems a lot of times I'm at my best after some indica or a bowl of cess. I'm creating, multiplying, big time supplying enough bud to keep the whole party high on. I might get ill, roll an eighth and one hooter. Park my Benz, I go jet out on my scooter. Bail to the coast, take a hell of a scope. Twist up a big bomber of the serious dope. Smoking down to the nub, use my roach clip. So much damn resin, it's starting to drip. It ain't harmful like heroin, it's also cheaper. That's why I'm glad, homeboy, that I yeah, what we got? Man, don't you hate when you ain't got no weed? It seems about the time you really you need to get high, get full, you know, get blasted. You be saying that high, it really lasted. Rolling around, trying not to get popped by the boys, the pigs, the rollers, the cops. Pulling up to one spot to see what they all about. Suckers nodding their head, telling you they all out. You go back to the crib, pick up the telephone. You tried everybody, so I guess you go tone. Cause I can buy an OZ or go buy a dime. I can pay cash for it or I can get it on time. It really makes no difference long as I get lit. Roll it in my zigzag and take a big bone hit. Cause after the buzz, my rhymes start flowing. Never getting shorter, they always going. I'm maxing, relaxing, but never taxing. No need for you to keep on asking if it is it. If the shit is the shit. Cause when it comes to smoking cheap, you know my shit is legit. You're the student, and I'm the teacher. I'm not a minister or reverend, I'm not preaching, so excuse me while I call time, cause I'ma take a few hits in the middle of this rhyme.
Chiba, got that Chiba, 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 got that Chiba, Chiba.
Oh, you know it, baby.
Got that Chiba, 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 got that Chiba.
One day I was coolin' with my homeboy C. seal, chill, getting fucked up in this coupe de ville. Still, I wasn't too high to know what I was doing. Went to the store, copped some more brewing, came back to the car, tried to be a winner, rolled up on my roaches, barely made a pinner. I wasn't upset, I had more at the house, but I was saving it for later when I get with my spouse. Her we're together, blazing the Jeeper. She does things to me, as if you can't believe her. I'm not talking kinky or nothing obscene, but it's not too far off, if you know what I mean. She'll take me upstairs, lay me down in the bed, pull off the feeler shorts and start giving me his head. If I'm the boo, yo, I do the same. She must love it, she ain't never complained. Don't moaning, kicking, a lot of screaming. I working so hard and she starts steaming. You know how it is, after a couple of words, she my subject, and I am the ruler. She's my freak, y'all, but she's no skeezer. One thing for sure, the girl's always got that cheaper. Oh, always got it in her hand. But you wanna give it the right man. When I was writing this rhyme, I had the hydroponic, but that high was fine. I had 2 joints, one for me and my homie. After having the stove, he didn't even know me. His eyes was so tight, they was hell of a red. He could barely hold them up, they was heavy as lead. An hour went by, he said, "Low, I'm kinda hungry." I said, "Oh shit, this brother got the munchies." Got off my couch, put my Gucci's on my feet, went to 7-Eleven, it was right up the street. I ordered everything edible off the shelf. He thought it was sham, I ate it all myself. Then we got it to the car, headed north or south. Just needed a drink, I had cotton mouth. We had so much food, didn't know where to start. At the Haagen-Dazs or Kellogg Pop-Tarts, big bags of chips, gallons of tips. Took me a week to get the taste off my lips. I ate so much, miserable as how I felt. I almost busted out my pants, had me loosen my belt. Kicking after 2, watching none better than, you know, the king of late night. Yeah, Dave Letterman, not too hilarious. Jokes kinda plain, but everything is funny when you're smoking Mary Jane. Yeah. Tell 'em about it, baby.
Coming down to the light of day, we got many moons that are deep at play. So I keep an eye on the shadow smile to see what it has to say. You and I both know everything must go away. What do you say? Spinning out letters on my heart, it's like a bitter light and a touch of dark. You got sneak attack from the zodiac, but I see your eyes spark. Keep the breeze and go, blow by blow and go away. What do you say?
sabotage of appetites, the lazy days and crazy nights, a pedal from the darkest road.